Hello, good morning guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing okay. Of course, it's the month of joy, let's just say that. Anyway, so I'm sure if you'll be watching this video to be on Christmas, of course it's Christmas day. Anyway, yeah, so I've decided to put on a wig. As you can see, yeah, I took off my braids and I got some lines, so I want to put on a wig. I got this wig when I think a few months ago. I got it from SHEIN, and of course I just loved the color and I wanted to try the color. So this is my second time doing this and I can't wait to just see how it comes out. So stay with me, watch till the end and we shall see how it comes. Anyway, for the people who are celebrating Christmas, for the people who don't like Christmas, for us who are not happy for Christmas days, anyway, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Celebrate, be kind to each other and share with everyone. Anyway, without further ado, let's do this. So I have this wig. This is the wig. I was trying to fix it because I always struggle cutting the lace. So I was trying to fix it to see if I can cut the lace off camera. Then I come back. Then we can do this. So let's see what this happens. I'm applying this to push away my edges back. Here we go. Actually, I'm struggling. I won't lie. I am struggling. Then it's not tight as I thought it will be. So I decided to go without a wig cap, and this is where we are. Still first step. Your edges can stay, but this glue is not. I'm back. It's not yet dried. It needs to dry completely, but I'm lazy and I have limited time, so I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this wig on. This baby hairs back, all of them. Ooh. It's going forward. I cut the lace and I'm going to put the wig there. And then there's the other one, auntie. And press the other one there. On well, it's coming on well. It's coming on well. The struggle is over. Oh my god, guys, know what to do. This is a struggle. I love the way it just melted. SHEIN melted. Oh, the wig is from SHEIN because I don't remember if I said it. It's from SHEIN, and guys, it's just melted in my skin. Anyway, if you're a wig person out there, if you do wig perfectly, please tell us the secret of it. I think it's just practice. Practice makes it perfect. No one is born knowing these things. That's what we don't all want to accept. You have to learn. You have to practice. It's just like mathematics. You have to learn. You have to practice. Time to tie this back. Not sure what's I needed a side part or I just needed to go the way back. What do you think, guys? A side part or all the way back? I think I'll do a side part. Tell me anything. I'll make this side part. Come on along. We're gonna go and cook dinner. Then we'll come up here later. We're gonna keep practicing, and when we get there, no one will tell us anything. I think I should say this is the truth behind putting a wig on. It's not easy. Hello, who is this, baby? What are you gonna tell me? Just check, just look. No baby hairs. I'm not that kind of person. I love baby hairs, but I don't like the dramatic ones, like no. But I'll do baby hairs. I'll do just the normal, the natural ones. Just check. I think blonde is my color, so I'll just have to wipe the excess glue, and maybe I can put on some these will make it stick. Then I'll be done. I'll go cook. I'm kind of scared of burning myself. Okay guys, I know this is the most rough video I've ever done, but anyway, it's my second time doing a wig, and look at how just melted my skin. I've not even removed the excess glue yet, And just guys, just check. First time this wig looks like this. Just yo, I'm super excited guys, super excited. So I'm just so happy. I'm gonna clean the wig and then maybe clean up the excess glue on my scalp. And I'm not sure if I'll do baby hairs right now because I kind of love it like that. If I do baby hairs, I'll just do the normal small baby hairs for just, not really fan of really the big baby hairs. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it. But apart from that, this video was to show you how struggle is real. But anyway, for being a second time doing a wig on myself, cutting less, doing my wig, this came on so perfect and I can't be happier. Anyway guys, comment below, tell me what you think, tell me if this color honey fits me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for always coming back to support your girly. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep commenting, and happy new year and Merry Christmas. See you in 2024. Bye. Bye.